네, 여러분 안녕하세요. Hello, welcome to Korean with Sean. Of course, my name is Sean. Today we are going to be looking at the 10 most useful expressions for beginners. If you think you are a beginner for Korean, you are at the right place. Are you guys ready? Then let's get started. The first must-know Korean expression for beginners is 네, 아니요. 네, 아니요. Which means yes and no in English. If you want to say yes in Korean, then say 네, 네, 네. If you want to say no in Korean, then say 아니요, 아니요, 아니요. Pretty easy. The second one is 안녕하세요. 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 안녕하세요 means hello, hi, how are you? How are you doing? It could be all, since it's a greeting expression. So whenever you want to say those expressions in Korean, you can just simply say 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. The third one is 저는 땡땡땡입니다. 저는 땡땡땡입니다. When you have a chance to introduce yourself, most of the time you would use this expression. 저는 땡땡땡입니다. 저는 땡땡땡입니다. Means I am 땡땡땡 in English. So you can just put your name in instead of 땡땡땡. So for example, I would say 저는 션킴입니다. 저는 션킴입니다. If you're Sharon, then you say 저는 샤론입니다. Got it? The fourth most useful expression for beginner is 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. After introducing our name, we say nice to meet you, right? That's the expression. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. The next useful expression is 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. Literally, this expression means stay in peace. So, you will use this expression to say goodbye to someone who is staying. For example, when you visit a souvenir store and you are about to leave the place, you will say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요 to the store staff or the owner of the store. Then, what are we supposed to say when you are staying and someone's leaving? Let's check out the next expression. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요 is used to someone who are leaving and when you're staying. Let's say you invite some friends to your place and they are about to leave. Then you can say 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요, which means goodbye. Literally means please go in peace. And your friends also can say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요 to you. Because you are staying and they are leaving. Some people might be confused with those two, but it's okay. You will get used to them and you will eventually be able to use them smoothly and naturally. The next expression is 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다, which means sorry or I apologize. We sometimes face the times when we should say sorry or I apologize, right? This expression is what it's for. For example, when you step on someone's toe in a crowded bus, you can say 죄송합니다 or 정말 죄송합니다, which means very sorry or I'm so sorry. The next expression is 잠시만요. 잠시만요. If you go to Korea, you're gonna hear this expression very, very often. 잠시만요 means wait a second please, literally. However, Koreans use this expression a lot as excuse me. So you're gonna hear 잠시만요 every day in Korea. It could be wait a second and also excuse me. So please keep that in mind. The next expression is 고맙습니다, 감사합니다. 고맙습니다, 감사합니다, which means thank you. Thank you. You can use both 고맙습니다 and 감사합니다. as thank you in the same situation. But I personally prefer to say 고맙습니다 over 감사합니다. They're interchangeable, so use either one you want. The last one is 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다 means see you later or see you again. When you say goodbye and you are pretty sure you will meet them again, then you can just say 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. This expression is very useful after or before saying goodbye to give them an impression that you wanna visit or meet them again. So I personally use this expression very often. 네, 안녕히 계세요. 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. Or 다음에 또 뵙겠습니다. 안녕히 계세요. So we just looked at the 10 most useful expressions for beginners together. How was that? Pretty easy, eh? I will let you take a screenshot by putting them all together in one or two screens so that you can review with your phone or laptop. Or the best way to review is to rewatch this video whenever you have time. That's the best. Alright, that's for today. Thank you for visiting Korean with Sean and for watching my video. I'm going to upload very useful videos for Korean learners, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Also, please share this video with your friends who are also learning Korean. Alright, I will see you in the next video. 그럼 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.